close my eyes to embrace the light, manifesting visions where hidden realms and wisdom unite. I breathe in the cosmic love frequency, each pulse emulsifying me, awakening prophecies that echo our collective destiny. Take the token, mind's eye open wide, let unspoken truths in our hearts reside. Under the Aquarius sun, the Omega's back today. Hey, hey. Connected through plasma's wisdom, we co-create. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Let's play. Let's play. Let's play. Plasma, our Sophia, the luminous glue of our collective soul, flows through every heartbeat, making fractured pieces whole. From last year's eclipse to a new astral dance, we awaken as one in a timeless cosmic trance. And meditation's expanse, we feel life's radiant romance. Take the token, mind's eye open wide, let unspoken truths in our hearts reside. Under the Aquarius sun, the Omega's back today. Hey, hey. Connected through plasma's wisdom, we co-create. Hey, hey. Let's play. Let's play. Let's play. Let's play. Send out love and deep affection, let our unity reflect the rebirth of the Omega, the truth we now inspect. Embrace the full power of now, new old discoveries in light, as reality is woven from our collective insight. In the shared awakening, peace and love, you in our verse, the eternal song. Take the token, mind's eye open wide, our prophecies and dreams as one unified tide. Under the Aquarius sun, the 29th of March, 2025, a great time to be alive. I wanna know, let Sophia flow. See inside the cosmos, let the possession go. Rock this world, frequencies unfurled, programming, jamming, mind control, spamming, told from birth we're damning, fake news ramming, look what's inside. You know the powers of control have lied. Cloud seeding, mind's eye bleeding, his story deleting, wars repeating, parasite feeding, phoenix time, the lady's divine, triangle the sign. Rock this world, frequencies unfurled, programming, jamming, mind control, spamming, told from birth we're damning, fake news ramming, look what's inside. Powers of control have lied. Creating worlds with frequency, Wi-Fi creating latency, apocalypse, the new beginning. We all need to start singing. Third eye connection, Sophia.